Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are very well. I'm your Sumaya Miss. Again, I will take your math class. The topic is subtraction on borrowing. 3 examples are here, right, students? Okay, let's start our class. Example number 1. First of all, we will do the units line. Here is 6, here is 9, right, students? Can we subtract 9 from 6? No, because 6 is smaller than 9. What can we do? We will borrow 1 from 4 tenths and place it over here. Now, students, we will assume 1 and 6 together 16. So here is 16, here is 9, right? Now subtract 9 from 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Where I have stopped my nickels counting? On nickels number 7. So the answer will be 7. As I have borrowed 1 from 4 tenths, so here will be 3 instead of 4. Now here is 2, here is 3, here is 2, right? 2, 3. 2, 3. What will be the answer? Yes, 1. So we will write here 1. Now example number 2. 0 and 7. Can we subtract 7 from 0? No, because 0 is smaller than 7. What can we do? Again we will borrow 1 from 5 tenths and place it over here, right? 1 and 0. We will assume 1 and 0 together 10. So here is 10 and here is 7. Now subtract 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Where I have stopped my counting? Here on nickels number 3. So the answer will be 3. And as I have borrowed 1 from 5 tenths, what we will do? Here will be 4 instead of 5. 4 and 2. Now subtract 2 from 4. 2, 3, 4. Where I have stopped? Here. I have stopped my nickels counting on nickels number 2. So the answer will be 2. Now example number 3. 5 and 9. The same thing. 5 is smaller than 9. So what can we do? We have to borrow 1 from 8 tenths and place it over here. Now we will assume 1 and 5 together 15. Here is 9, here is 15. So we can subtract 9 from 15 easily. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Where I have stopped my counting? Here on nickels number 6. So 6 will be the answer. Now as I have taken 1 from 8 tenths, so 7 is here instead of 8. Here is 7, here is 3, right? Now subtract 3 from 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where I have stopped my counting? here on Nichols number 4. So the answer will be 4. Example number 1, the answer is 17. Example number 2, the answer is 23. Example number 3, the answer is 46. I hope this video will help you a lot. This is the end of my today's video. Take care all of you. Bye bye.